In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, do well to give it a like so that other people can find it, and subscribe to this channel. First of all, you open the Instagram app on your phone. Then you go to the profile of person you wish to block. You can do that by searching for the profile. So you click on the search button and search for the person's account. Then you tap on the account. When you're inside the account, you click on the three dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then you go to block and click on it. Then Instagram will display a warning saying that you won't be able to message this user or find their profile or content on Instagram. So all you have to do is tap on block, and the account will be blocked.